student of Government Libby College and Hospital Patna. We as a group are going to represent about disaster management from the Department of PSM. What is disaster? A classic definition given by WHO: serious disruption or functioning of a community or a society causing widespread human, material, economic or environmental losses which exceeds the ability of affected community or society to cope using its own resources. फेमस साइंटिस्ट कॉलिन ग्रैंट ने भी इस डेफिनेशन को वैरी किया है और बताया है कि क्या हो सकता है डिज़ास्टर। तो उनके मुताबिक जब किसी भी पॉपुलेशन में अगर 30 पीपल अगर अच्छे से इंजर हो गए हैं और उनको ट्रीटमेंट की ज़रूरी है, उनको इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन के बाद साथ ट्रीटमेंट पहुंचाया जा रहा है, तो ये एक डिज़ास्टर के तौर पे माना जाएगा। नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द लेवल ऑफ डिज़ास्टर। डिज़ास्टर के 4 लेवल्स होते हैं: एल नॉट, लेवल 1, लेवल 2, लेवल 3। एल नॉट लेवल इज़ एट द मैनेजेबल और नो रिस्क फैक्टर उसमें नहीं होते हैं और वो उतना हार्मफुल भी नहीं होता है। बाय द लेवल 1, 2, 3 आर मैनेजेबल।
Now let's we talk about types of disaster. On the basis of origin and cause, disaster can be classified into 2 categories: natural disaster and man-made disaster. Natural disaster, which occur naturally. Now, some natural disasters are hydrometeorological disaster, geographical disasters, and biological disasters. Hydrometeorological disaster, atmosphere-related disaster or water-related disasters include in hydrometeorological disasters. Some examples of hydrometeorological disasters are cyclone, hurricane, cold spells, drought, snowstorms. Geographical disaster, earthquake, landslides, volcanic eruptions, and biological disasters occur due to exposure of pathogens or microorganisms like pandemic COVID-19. Man-made disaster, human-induced disasters include in man-made disasters.
Let's talk about some historical disaster. The Chernobyl accident 1986, Bhopal gas tragedy 1984, flood in Kashmir 2014, Kashmir earthquake 2005, Indian Ocean tsunami 2004, the Great Odisha cyclone 1999 and Kedarnath flood 2013. This is common in post disaster phase, यानी डिजास्टर के बाद जो बीमारियां होती हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वाटर बॉर्न डिजीजेस लाइक कलेरा, टाइफाइड फीवर, हेपेटाइटिस ए एंड ई, लेप्टोस्पायरोसिस, डायरियल डिजीज स्पेशली इन चिल्ड्रन। सेकेंड वेक्टर बॉर्न डिजीजेस लाइक मलेरिया, डेंगू फीवर, चिकनगुनिया, जिका वायरस। थर्ड रेस्पिरेटरी इन्फेक्शंस लाइक निमोनिया, tuberculosis, influenza and COVID-19. Some skin and wound infection due to injury and non-sanitary condition like cellulitis, tetanus, scabies, fungal infection. Some other communicable diseases often due to poor hygiene and lack of vaccination like measles, especially in unvaccinated population, meningitis, polio in area with low immunization. Some non-communicable diseases like diabetes complications, hypertension crisis, and mental health disorder like depressions.
Do you know flood is the most common natural disaster in India? इंडिया में जितने भी स्टेट हैं उनमें से बिहार सबसे ज़्यादा फ्लड से अफेक्टेड है। ब्यूटीफुल अप्रोच फॉर द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ डिजास्टर इज डिजास्टर साइकिल और इमरजेंसी मेडिकल मैनेजमेंट साइकिल विच इंक्लूड्स रिस्पॉन्स, रिकवरी, preparedness and mitigation. According to color is divided into 4: red, yellow, green and black. The red are mostly injured and required immediate emergency. Some government organization for management of disaster is the United Nations Disaster Risk Reduction UNDDR program, formerly known as UNISDR, and National Institute of Disaster Management. It's an Indian educational and research institution. NIDM, the National Institute of Disaster Management. It's an Indian educational and research institution primarily responsible for training and capacity development in disaster management. Measures and precautions taken during a disaster first includes earthquake. In an earthquake, we don't have to panic, take cover and go to an open ground. In case of drought, we have to conserve a lot of water, no wastage of water. In case of cyclones, turn off all the electric switches and go off to a open ground. Case of landslides, plant more and more trees and conserve trees. Case of nuclear disaster, all the safety and functional things are kept at the same time. I am Umehani.
I am Ramana Badri.
Myself Tabassu Mara.
I am Wasim Akram. Safety first always.
Empowering safety, inspiring confidence.
Know the risk, be ready.
Plan, prepare, prevail.